Well, hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I hope you had a great day today. Okay? Alright, I'm in Massachusetts and it was raining a little bit today, and they said it was some flurries, but I didn't see the flurries. So hopefully we don't have snow for a while. Okay, so I want to show you how to make rice in the oven. So last week I showed you how to make rice on the stove. I've shown you how to make rice in the pressure cooker. Now I want to show you how to make rice in the oven. So you don't have to watch it, babysit it, nothing. It's going to go right in the oven. And we're going to have that with some seasonings and some sauteed vegetables. So stay tuned. Let's do this, okay? Alright, something else for your Thanksgiving dinner, because you're going to have a lot going on. So if you can put something in the oven while you're working on something else, it works, okay? Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so I have our frying pan on the stove here. Let me make sure you can see that. There we go. Try to have it like a split screen. And we're going to put some grapeseed oil in there. If you don't have grapeseed oil, you can put olive oil in there. I have one large onion cut up. So let me show you that. Okay. We're going to put that in. I have one red pepper cut up, diced into small cubes. Okay, so we're going to let that cook, and then I'm going to put some more oil on the top so that all the vegetables is lubricated. Okay. I'm just going to mix it up. So we're going to let that cook a few minutes, and then I'll add some seasonings to it. So now I have 2 cups of long grain rice. 2 cups. 2 of these measuring cups, okay? 1, 2. Alright? So I'm putting the 2 cups in. So if you have 2 cups of rice, then you need 4 cups of water. So if you have 1 cup of rice, you need 2 cups of water. So since we have 2 cups of rice, we need 4 cups of water. Okay? Alright. So I also have here in this container some vegetable broth. So vegetable broth is made from vegetables, okay? So if you don't eat meat, you can use this because it's not meat based, alright? So I use 3 of these in a bowl. Let me show you. I use 3 of these, okay? And this box costs $1.29, I think. Okay? So it's inexpensive. And you can season vegetables with this, whatever you want to use it for, okay? In this case, we're going to season the rice. Alright? Okay, so now, since I took the vegetable broth and I put it in hot water to break it down to this liquid form, this is going to count as a liquid, right? Because I have water in here, so that has to count as a liquid. Alright, so this is what I'm going to do. So I'm going to pour it right into the cup measure. Okay, that's counting as 1 cup. Now I need 3 more, right? That's 1 cup. And I added the rest of it that was left in this container in here, but we're still going to add up to the next cup. See what I'm doing? So I'm using all the vegetable broth. So this is 2 cups. 3 cups. And this is our last cup. 4 cups of water, okay? Which, remember, the vegetable broth liquid counted towards our 4 cups, all right? Are you with me? Okay. Now, let me see about the vegetables cooking here. Okay, so now we're going to do our seasoning. I'm adding adobo to the rice. Let me back it up so you can see. Can you see that? Okay. So adobo, quite a bit. You've seen how much I put, right? But seasoning is your choice, how much or little you want to use. Now I'm going to add some garlic paste. If you don't have garlic paste, you can cut up the clove of 1 garlic. That's about a clove of 1 garlic. I'll put that right in the rice, and I'm going to put some, also 1 clove into the cooking onions and red pepper. Okay. Now we're going to add some adobo onto the onions. Just a little in this. And some cumin. I'm going to add that to the onions and to the rice. Okay, and now we're going to add just a dash of salt, not much. A little salt. Okay, and the last thing we're going to add is some black pepper. I'm sorry, I didn't show you the salt. Black pepper. Okay, let's stir up our vegetables. Okay, to our vegetables, we're going to add cilantro. I'm just adding half. This is a half of a bunch of cilantro. I'm only adding half to the onions and peppers. The other half I'm going to put in the rice raw. I'm going to mix that in. Okay, now I want to mix up the rice. Alright. Now, one other thing I want to add to the rice is some grapeseed oil. I'm going to count to 3 like I usually do. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Let's do it. 1, 2, 3. Alright? Okay, let's mix that in. Okay, I think our rice is good to go along with our vegetables. I'm going to cut this off. Let me show you the vegetables. We have our fall colors. We have the white color and the red color and the green color. Okay, the onions, red peppers, and the cilantro. Okay, look at that. Isn't that pretty? Okay, we're going to put this in the rice now. And we're going to mix this in. Now we're going to put the balance of our cilantro in, the raw cilantro. Now if you're at home and you don't have cilantro, it's okay. You can still make this. You know, this is just giving you an idea. You can add anything you want to your rice. Okay, I'm just going to dunk the cilantro down so that it has the liquid on it. Alright, now I'm going to cover this with aluminum foil. And we're going to put it in the oven. You're going to have your oven on 400. And you're going to cook this until the rice doubles in size. So I'm not even going to look at this for about, I would say 30 minutes. And I'm going to put another piece of aluminum foil on it. The other way, this way, to make sure that the steam locks in, because remember, we're cooking rice, so we like that to be steamed. Okay, that's all set to go into the oven. How about that? Okay, so remember, we're going to cook it on 400 and we're going to check it in about 30 minutes, okay? So before I put that in, why don't I give you the word of the day? The word of the day is money, bills. Cost of living is unbelievable, and it's always some surprise coming up that you just don't know how much money you'll need for that surprise. But you can rest assured it's a surprise coming. If it ain't today, if it ain't next week, it's coming. So please, people, please think about that, conserve your money, and be ready for the surprise, because you have mastered life thus far and you don't want a big surprise to come and you can't master it. Oh, how would you feel? You would feel like worried. What are you gonna do? All of those things, right? So let's prepare now, okay? That's the word of the day. Prepare for the surprise that we don't know what it is or how much it is, but it's coming. Okay, that's the word of the day. All right, see you in 30 minutes. Okay guys, our rice and vegetables is out, and that took a total of about 40 to 45 minutes. Oh, and let me just show you this. Look at that, guys. Can you imagine taking this to your Thanksgiving dinner It looks like some vegetables or something, but it's rice. It's rice with vegetables. Okay, so let me just take some out and let you check it out. Okay guys, now look how flaky it is. Wait, let me use my other hand so you can see. Okay, here we go. Look, it ain't sticking together or nothing. You see that? See I just fall down? Clean right off the fork. See? You know the good part about it? Oh, you know how when you cook rice, in a pot on the stove, and now you gotta clean that pot and it's all stuck to the bottom and everything? Oh, none of that. Watch. Let me show you. I can hold it up. No, I better put it down. Okay, here's the pan, right? Look, you can see the bottom, see? No sticking. See what I'm saying? Oh, you're gonna love cooking rice this way. Okay, so let me taste it. Oh, and I should have got my thumbnail. Oh, well, I'll get one in a minute. We'll see. Oh my goodness, it's so flavorful. You're gonna love it. Oh, everything is coming through. I gotta have another spoonful. Another forkful. Delicious. Okay. Let me get a thumbnail. Let's see if I can get one. It's hot. How about that? Thumbnail. Nice. Okay. So you enjoy that. Now I have shown you how to cook rice several ways. Okay? And I'm not finished. I got some more to show you in regards to rice. Rice is one of those things that we eat all over the world, and everybody cooks it different, and there's different ways and different things you can add to rice. It can just go on and on and on. Well, today you got another one under your belt, and you didn't have to stand over the stove and watch it either. Okay? Alright, give it a thumbs up if you like it. I think you like it. Share the video. Check out my links below if you want to support this channel in any way. I have a GoFundMe and a Patreon. And subscribe if this is your first time on the video. And for all of those who do not know how to cook rice, no more worries. Just send this video over to them. All they got to do is follow the instructions. Let the oven do the rest, and they got it. How about that, huh? You can't beat that. Correct? Okay then, that's the I think the rice dish is the prize of the day. Okay? Alright, I'll talk to you soon, okay? Bye bye. This is for your Thanksgiving dinner. Please bring this over to the family. Alright, happy Thanksgiving on that one. Bye.